Hi, do you know how to ask for medicine in English? In this video, you'll learn real conversations you can use at a pharmacy, step by step. Let's start speaking English now.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. Welcome to Healthcare Pharmacy. How can I help you today?
I need to buy some medicine.
Of course. Are you feeling unwell?
Yes, I have a headache.
I see. Let me help you with that.
Can you tell me more about your headache?
Sure, I got the headache last night. It was mild at first, but now it's strong.
Is the pain in your forehead or the back of your head?
Mostly on my forehead.
Do you have a fever or feel sick?
No, just the headache.
Okay, that helps. Thank you for the details.
We have two types of medicine for headaches. One is paracetamol, and the other is ibuprofen.
Which one do you think is better?
Paracetamol is gentle and works well for general headaches. Ibuprofen is stronger and helps with inflammation too.
I think I'll take paracetamol.
Good choice. It's safe and effective.
How many should I take?
Take one tablet every 6 hours.
Okay, should I eat first?
Yes, it's better to take it after food. Drink water with it.
Got it. I'll follow the instructions. Does this medicine have any side effects?
Sometimes people feel sleepy or dizzy, but most people are fine.
What should I do if I feel dizzy?
Stop taking the medicine and talk to a doctor.
All right, I'll be careful. My husband has a cold. Can I buy medicine for him?
Yes, of course. What are his symptoms?
He has a runny nose, a cough, and a sore throat.
I recommend this syrup. It helps reduce cough and soothes the throat.
That sounds good. Is it easy to take?
Yes, just follow the dose on the label.
I also need medicine for my son. He is 6 years old.
What symptoms does he have?
He has a mild fever and a runny nose.
We have this children's syrup. It reduces fever and helps with cold symptoms.
How much should I give him?
Use the small spoon inside the box. Give him 1 spoon 3 times a day.
Thank you. I'll make sure to follow that. Can I buy antibiotics here?
We sell antibiotics, but you need a prescription from a doctor.
Oh, I didn't know that.
No worries. It's the law to protect health and avoid resistance.
That makes sense. Thanks for explaining. I need some first aid supplies. My daughter fell and hurt her knee.
I'm sorry to hear that. We have bandages and antiseptic cream.
What do you suggest I use?
Clean the wound first, then apply the cream and cover with a bandage.
Okay, I'll take both. I want to buy some vitamins. Can you help me?
Sure. Are you looking for something general or specific?
Just something for everyday health.
These multivitamins are great. 1 tablet a day is enough.
Sounds easy. I'll take this one. I have trouble sleeping. Do you have something natural?
Yes, we have melatonin. It's a natural sleep aid.
Will it make me sleepy in the morning?
Not usually. It helps your body rest better.
I'll try it. Thanks. Can I check the expiry date on this box?
Absolutely. It's printed on the back here.
It says December 2026. That's good.
Yes, it's fresh stock.
Perfect. I always like to check. How much is everything?
Your total is $18.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, we accept both cash and card.
Here is my card.
Thank you. Please enter your PIN.
May I have a receipt, please?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. I'll keep it just in case.
Good idea. Let us know if you need anything else.
What are your opening hours?
We open from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Monday to Saturday.
Are you open on Sundays?
No, we're closed on Sundays.
Good to know. I'll come during the week.
Excuse me, do you know where the cough syrups are?
Yes, I just got one. They're on the second shelf to the left.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. I hope you find what you need. Hi again. I bought this yesterday, but my doctor said I should not take it.
Do you still have the receipt?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Would you like a refund or to exchange it?
I'd like to exchange it, please.
Sure. Let's find something that works better for you.
My friend is having an allergic reaction. What can I give quickly?
If it's serious, take her to the hospital right away.
She has a rash but can breathe fine.
Give her an antihistamine tablet. If it gets worse, call emergency services.
Thank you. I'll do that right now.
Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, that's all. You've been very helpful.
I'm glad I could help. Feel better soon.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye, and take care. Thank you for watching. Did you learn something new today? Please click like if this video helped you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more easy English conversations. And tell me in the comments, have you ever gone to a pharmacy in English? Let's keep learning English together. See you next time.